Welcome! In this video, we'll walk you through creating types for your multi-type assessment, including scoring models, chart setups, and more. Start by entering the Agolix editor. Select Edit underneath your multi-type assessment and click the Types tab. Select the multi-type assessment option to rate respondents across all types. Choose between manual or automatic scoring depending on your preference. With automatic scoring, points are divided evenly across score bands, while manual scoring lets you set your own score ranges. Just like the type assessment, set how you want to present types, from highest to lowest, lowest to highest, or a custom order set below, and decide if you want to show scores as percentages. Pick a chart style that suits your needs. Add your types by clicking Add Type, enter a name and description, and assign an identifier and color if needed. For multi-type assessments, you'll need to create some score bands, add titles, set ranges, and define score interpretations for each band. Once your types and score bands are set, save your changes. Great job! You've successfully set up your types for a multi-type assessment. Be sure to check out our other tutorials to learn more about Agolix's features. And remember, you can always reach your goals with Agolix.